Hi, this is Wesley Sendum, and today I'm presenting my 2018 City of Buffalo Civic Innovation Challenge submission, a fire hydrant distance checking app that tells someone if they've parked within 15 feet of a fire hydrant. I currently work in the City of Buffalo at the Innovation Center, and from commuting into the city and trying to find parking, I was surprised to find out that it was actually illegal to park within 15 feet of a fire hydrant. And I thought that this would be a fun problem to try and solve with software. And when I heard about the City of Buffalo's hackathon, I actually looked into the data sets they provided and saw that there was actually a data set that showed the location of every fire hydrant in the City of Buffalo. So I thought this was a good opportunity to try and build something to solve this problem. And I actually looked at the parking summons data set that was also provided and saw that there's been over 24,000 summons for parking within 15 feet of a fire hydrant since 2007. So I thought this was really good validation that maybe this was a problem worth trying to solve. So I actually used the fire hydrant data set you see here, where it shows the location of every fire hydrant in the city, and I built a web app that gets a user's current location and then displays if they've parked too close to a fire hydrant. So I currently have it at a test URL because the location software that I'm using to do this requires HTTPS web URL. So I'm hosting it off of a current website that I actually have up that has HTTPS. So if you navigate to this link that you see here and you turn on your location services on your phone, you'll actually be able to demo the project. So you'll see if you go to the web address, you first get this pop-up that says fire hydrant distance check. This is a simple tool to check if you park too close to a fire hydrant. Your current location is shown by the pin. If it is inside of a red circle, you've parked within 15 feet of a fire hydrant and may want to consider moving. And you'll see below the modal, please note, turn on location services to use. And it's also important to note that in building this software, I was able to learn a lot about geolocation services. And it was interesting to see, the accuracy that varied in different parts of the city. So around the Innovation Center, there's actually a low degree of accuracy, but in other locations that I tested, such as around Shays, Buffalo Theater, we were able to tell with high accuracy if somebody was parked too close to a fire hydrant by loading this web app. But you'll see here, if we load it, and we dismiss this modal, I'm on Minnesota Ave, and I'm within 15 feet of a fire hydrant. As you can see, my pin is within the red radius. So the way that this is working actually is when we load the page, the application is querying for the user's location in the background. It is putting it on the map where they currently are. And then to optimize load speeds, it's taking that user location and checking against all those latitudes and longitudes of fire hydrants in the City of Buffalo, but it's only drawing ones that are nearby to the user. Rather than drawing these radiuses around everyone, it turned out that it loaded too slowly. So if you zoom out, you'll actually be able to see some of the other fire hydrants surrounding a user. But on page load, we actually zoom in, so the application is usable and a user can tell with high accuracy if they're actually within the circle. So you can actually use this app right now live at the web address that I showed. And I encourage you to go around the city in Buffalo and test it and see how it works. And I'm looking forward to continue to try and optimize and hack on this project to increase its accuracy and efficiency. Thank you.